Hi, I am Robyn, the clinical aromatherapist at Karoleen Keys Organics. Follow me for organic wellness tips.
Karoleen Keys Organic Skincare. Many people believe oils make acne worse, but that's not always true. Cold-pressed plant oils contain vitamins, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants that help nourish the skin, support balance, and promote a healthy complexion. My favorite essential oils for acne-prone skin are chamomile, eucalyptus, juniper, lavender, palmarosa, and tea tree. Tea tree is extremely powerful, so use it with care, as it can be harsh on sensitive skin. To make this traditional acne care blend, add 17 drops of chamomile, 2 drops of juniper, 2 drops of lavender, and 1 drop of tea tree to 100 milliliters of cold-pressed almond oil. Massage gently into the face each night, avoiding the eye area. Remove excess oil with a tissue and a warm face cloth. Then reapply a small amount and leave overnight. In the morning, rinse with warm water, pat dry, and finish with a light toner. Apple cider vinegar is a simple natural toner suitable for most skin types. Follow me for more aromatherapy tips and natural skincare solutions from my A to Z ailments collection.